Hello, it's Adrian here at Able Property, and I'm sitting with Jess, our head of department, who looks after the property management team. Jess, I wanted to give you an opportunity to update our landlords and also our tenants with a little bit of a snapshot of the marketplace, because we have the privilege of managing many hundreds of properties, which means we can have a really good temperature of what the market's doing. Talk to me about vacancy rates to start with.
Yeah, so at the moment we're finding the vacancy rate throughout Perth at 2.2%, and our office vacancy rate is currently sitting at 1.32%.
That's fantastic. What that means, folks, is that there is a high demand for properties that allows us to ensure that we get a great rental, and supply and demand is probably in the favour of the landlord at the moment, and that is benchmarked by the fact that rents are at least stable, even through COVID, and they're possibly strengthening as well. Talking about COVID, Jess, tell me about the impact that it had on our business, particularly from the perspective of landlords. And we had real problems in April with viewings and stuff, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. We did have some restrictions on numbers through home opens. They have eased slightly, and we're now able to show 20 people through home opens, so we are seeing higher traffic through.
And as I recall, as soon as we were allowed to do home opens properly again, didn't you have really, really big numbers come through?
We did, yes. We are finding a lot of inquiries come through and a lot of foot traffic through our home opens.
Well, that bodes well for the property market generally. Just what about the opportunity for tenants to claim subsidies or stress in the rental market? I know there was a great deal of fear among landlords regarding the impact of the government and job losses and things. How did that pan out in the end?
Yeah, we did see a few tenants experiencing issues with their employments when we were under the restrictions, but overall we had less than 5% of tenants that ended up having to have rental reductions just to get them through the emergency period. And we are seeing our tenants going back into their employment positions now that those restrictions are easing.
Fantastic. So not overall, not a bad outcome at all for the landlords, in terms of, because we were all concerned it was going to get bad.
Yes.
We're just about to head to the end of financial year, so just a quick reminder, if I may, for landlords and tenants, is make sure that your tax deductions are entirely up to date, and the request from the property managers is please avoid coming 2 days before the end of the financial year to get maintenance done. So now's a good time to get all that sorted out. Talk to your accountant, get your depreciation schedules in order so that you get the maximum opportunity to claim tax deductions. Any questions or concerns, we'd love to hear from you. Adrian, Jess, talk to you soon.